Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2009 Infiniti G37. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, aluminum wheels, and rollover protection system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a security system, front and rear floor mats, front fog lights, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 43,000 miles on the odometer. This Infiniti has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.